everyone, welcome to my channel. Hope you are doing well. I'm Sadia Jahan. I finally decided to do my very first makeup tutorial. Hope you're gonna like this video. Today I'm going to do my eye makeup first. And I did my eyebrows off camera. First I'm applying a concealer on my eyelid and blend it well. It will help the eyeshadow to stay longer and prevent it from creasing. Then I'm applying a brown eyeshadow on my crease as a transition color. Now I'm applying a purple shadow to define my crease. I'm again applying the purple color and blend it well. Now I'm applying a concealer on half of my eyelid to give it a cut crease effect. I'm applying a silver color to highlight the inner corner of my eyes. Now I'm applying a dark blue eyeshadow on my eyelid. Again I am applying a dark purple shadow to define my crease. Now I am applying a glitter eyeliner on the inner half of my crease. Now I am applying a black liner on my waterline and going to smudge it with a purple eyeshadow. I'm highlighting my brow bone with a silver eyeshadow. Now I'm applying wing liner on my eyes. Now I'm going to apply mascara on my lashes. Now I'm wearing lashes to give it a dramatic look. Now it's time for the face makeup. Please excuse my bare face, I know it's terrifying. First I am using Evelyn mattifying primer on my face because I have very oily skin. Now it's time for the foundation. I am going to use Lotte London Selfie Ready Foundation in shade Golden. You can get this foundation from Beauty Budget Beauty. I'll put the product link in the description box below. Now I'm applying concealer. Now I'm applying LX7 terracotta powder to set my face. I'm going to use this palette to contour my face. Now my favorite part, highlighter. I'm using Color Beam highlighter in shade Double Gleam. I'm using it on the high parts of my face. I'm going to use Evelyn Fixer Mist as a setting spray. Here is the finished look. Please let me know what you think about my first makeup tutorial in the comment section down below.